Okay, hi, my name is Su-Ren and I lead the marketing efforts for Twilio in Asia Pacific and Japan. For those who may not be as familiar with Twilio, we are actually a cloud communications provider or cloud communications platform, Silicon Valley based, but we have brought our simple but robust APIs to the Asia Pacific region and are helping to enable customers like Netflix, Grab, Gojek, and Deliveroo, Morgan Stanley, and many others.
Great.
The conference has very interesting content so far. I think it's managed to bring many customer experience or customer engagement professionals to the same show floor to be able to network and mingle and also to exchange a lot of ideas. I think it's important to be able to speak to the trends of where customer experience is, or actually cloud communications is, in the region by turning around and thinking about what our customers want. Because ultimately it is the experience that we want to be able to deliver to them as a cloud communications provider. So we should think about what they want and what do they want, right? Now, customers want conversations. They don't just want a one-way communication, they want two-way communications. So for cloud communications platforms such as Twilio, we are looking at how we can enable a lot of two-way communications through our solutions and enable businesses to not only push out notifications to them, but also have the opportunity to be able to converse with customers at a time of need. And I think the other trend that we are also currently seeing is customers also want the ability to get speed and immediacy in the communication with the businesses. So it's not all about sending in a mail or a letter and waiting for a response, but it's all about immediacy, being able to get onto a WhatsApp, being able to text message, being able to call the businesses at their time of need. So that's exactly where cloud communications platforms such as Twilio are also working on. We are doing a lot more in expanding the way that customers can reach us. We are also looking at how we can make it a lot more efficient for our businesses to adapt to the speed and immediacy through AI, through chatbots, etc. I think what is still needed in this particular area is identifying the need within different businesses. Not only just identifying the need, but also being able to have commitment from a leadership level, and then understanding that changing the game for customer experience is really a cultural movement that is not only from a top-down perspective, but it's also from a bottoms-up. So it has to cut through a cultural change through the entire organization, and then being able to then identify the right needs that the organization has as a business with their customers, and then being able to have the appetite to also use technology to help enable them to meet the change. There will be so many exciting changes that will come in this space in the next few years. I think with the great updates in connectivity, for example, like with 5G coming in, that is going to open up a whole new ball game to a lot of the customer experiences, because what that means is it opens it up even more for the IoT space. It means that more devices will be connected. It means that there will be increased touch points for any customer to reach to any business. It also means that there will be a lot more data, right? With data comes a lot of intelligence, and that's the other part of it, right? The opportunity to be able to get even more intelligent and being able to use and harness the data and intelligence to be able to engage with your customer more personally. So the irony is all the artificial intelligence and the machine learning is actually going to make any business even more personal to their customer.